Hello future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we will continue our Mission 4 of the alphabet series, and the alphabet we will draw is going to be H. So let's get started. Now, we will be using the place pen in order to make sure that it draws with the color. Then, we will usually do this, move forward, and you can count how many steps you need to move by zooming out. So, we will move it 7 steps forward. Then, we are going to make it come backwards because it needs to come back here and 3.5 steps back. Then, we will turn it right and move 90 degrees, and after that, we will move it forward by 5 steps. After that, we will be using turn right by 90, and then move forward by 3.5 steps, 3.5. Next, we are simply going to use move back instead of turning it. So as you can see, it is tracing the gray line in order to get this done. So, let's wait for it to complete. It's moving forward by 3.5 and moving backward for 7. And voila! We have completed our Mission 4. That was the drawn alphabet. Hope you liked this video. Like, share, and subscribe. CodeRobo.